Hey, it's Kenny. To respond to this, I originally had the script set up so that any folder that was in the incoming directory would then be turned into a tarball. The problem I ran into, though, is that the way I had the process set up, the video would be packaged into a tarball, and then that tarball would then be extracted again to then generate the video. I decided then, instead of doing that, what I would do was to create, to be able to render the video from just the raw files being put into a incoming directory. And then after all of the rendering was done, the tarball was then created to store in the archive directory. The original files and their folder was then moved to a processed directory, and that way I still had the original video files, but then I also had an archiving or a tarball, which is the Linux equivalent of a zip file that was stored somewhere else, so then I could put it on the backup drive and so forth. The problem that I've ran into with the previous version of the script that I was working on is that it was writing back to itself, and that screwed up some video files. Therefore, I was able to take some test video content and put it in there to identify that bug and to be able to correct that bug. So now it does not do that. But I have considered tarring the files first just for archival purposes, but as it currently stands, it's not doing it first. It's doing that after the fact.